Canon number 8. Dignity of the Court. Interpreters must conduct themselves in a manner consistent with the standards and protocol of the court, and must perform their duties as unobtrusively as possible. When interpreting, the interpreter must use the same grammatical person as the speaker. When it becomes necessary to assume a primary role in the communication, the interpreter must make it clear that he or she is speaking for him or herself. Interpreters must also abide by strict rules of professional conduct that we will discuss later on in this presentation.
Canon number 9. No remuneration. Interpreters must not accept remuneration for their service to the court from anyone but the court. Interpreters will not accept any real or perceived gifts, gratuities, or valuable consideration from any litigant, witness, party, or attorney in a case where the interpreter is serving. Sometimes parties or attorneys may feel very grateful to the interpreter for his or her services, and may offer to pay the interpreter or ask how much their interpretation services cost. An attorney may attempt to fraternize with the interpreter and offer to take him or her out to lunch for having done such a wonderful job. The interpreter must politely decline any offer of payment of any kind from everyone but the court.
Canon number 10. Impediments to compliance with the Code of Ethics. Interpreters must bring to the attention of the appropriate judicial authority any circumstance that prevents full compliance with any canon of this code, including their ability to interpret an assignment competently. If an interpreter is assigned to a lengthy hearing and no relief interpreter is available, the interpreter must request a break from the court. If an interpreter is unable to hear, the interpreter must request that the judges, parties, and attorneys speak louder and more clearly. If a judge, party, or attorney is speaking too quickly, the interpreter must request that he or she slow down. If the interpreter does not have adequate knowledge of specialized terminology being used in an assignment, the interpreter must decline the assignment. Interpreters must be forthcoming about their ability to comply with every canon in this code of ethics, and make every effort to always be in compliance.